Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of sequence, logical mathematical sequence. 4 minus 1 is 6. Next sequence, 5 minus 1 is 6. Next, 7 minus 1 is 12. Now we find the value of sequence 8 minus 1. In first sequence, square of first term minus 1. Square of 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. In next sequence, square of 5 minus 1. Square of 5 is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. Next sequence, square of 7 minus 1. Square of 7 is 49. 49 minus 1 is 48. Next sequence, square of 8 minus 1. Square of 8 is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. In first sequence, 16 minus 1 is 15. Addition of its digits 1 plus 5 is 6. Next sequence, 25 minus 1 is 24. Addition of its digits 2 plus 4 is 6. Next sequence, 49 minus 1 is 48. Addition of its digits 4 plus 8 is 12. Next sequence, 64 minus 1 is 63. Addition of its digits 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is the correct answer of this sequence. 8 minus 1 is 9. 9 is the correct answer of this sequence. चॅनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. चॅनलला सब्सक्राइब करा. चैनल को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.